Lots of excitement in the city this week. Let's see what made the Intense 5. Vybz Kartel may have his appeal heard by the Privy Council in the UK. A provisional date has been set for April of next year. Let's see. Guess who's coming to Jamaica? None other than Chris Breezy. So it was announced earlier this week that he'll be headlining a concert in August. I cannot wait, okay? Cannot wait. So we told you who's coming, but guess who was here? None other than Burna Boy celebrating his birthday. Celebration started in Mobay and then continued in Kingston at Weddy Weddy. Welcome home, Burna, and happy birthday! The Reggae boys made it to the semi-finals, but unfortunately didn't go any further. Good try though, boys. Enough big ups to you. And finally holding the spot this week, TJ versus DJ Mac. Boy, this situation is just messy and the back and forth on social media isn't really helping at all. Hopefully it gets sorted soon and everybody can, just drift into peace. I'm just saying. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything entertainment.